Welcome into my office. Brian here with you. We're going to now have a look at a very scarce, early 19th century European geographical treatise in this fantastic period Spanish binding, like so. Tree calf or marbled calf with these marbled end papers, like so. Engraved copperplate folding images and maps at the rear. This is 1828, Madrid, Spanish Elements of Geography Astronomy, and it's by Montenegro. And the paper is all clean, tight, and sound, as the text block is, with what is almost certainly handmade paper of the era. Nice typesetting throughout. And what distinguishes the work, beyond its outright scarcity, is the fine condition of it, as well as this series of engraved plates, of which this first Copernicus universe plate is there. And then we have this diagram of wind rows and mathematical calculations regarding spheres and rotations of the Earth and the planets and so on, like so. Then we have this elements of geography, physical geography, as in mountains and coastal ranges and rivers and so on. Then we have this one right here, coastal one, yeah, and the Mediterranean. Then finally, these two very fine, large hemisphere maps, which are dated 1829, published, engraved by Tardieu, published in Paris, right here. And we see the mountains of the moon cutting across the center of Africa, like so. Yep, very nice map, original outline, hand color. And the other hemisphere is seen here on this one, like this. Heavy paper, beautiful, clean examples of these maps. Here we have North America, like so. Yes. And if this rare book interests you, it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.